Dear children, I am your Kavita ma'am to take mathematics for you. So in this class, let us see about simple equations. So what is an equation and how to write an equation and how to write a word, that is a sentence form of from the equation. So that is, we should take a simple terms from what is equation to learn the concept of equation. So that is, I am giving an introduction to you, that is, you know the numbers, okay, that is 10 and 18. We should take the simple numbers at first, okay. So 10 is a number and 18 is a number. So 10 is less than 18. So you all know how to write the symbols for less than and greater than. So that is 10 is less than 18. And then one more number we will take, that is 25. Okay. And then another number we are taking this side, that is 15. So is it right? So here this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So we should take, that is LHS and RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. So now this that is 10 is less than 18 and 25 is greater than, sorry children, sorry, 10 is less than 18. Is it right? 10 is less than 18 and 25 is greater than 15. Okay, understood? 10 is less than 18 and 25 is greater than 15. So now we should take 35 is a number and this side also 35. So you know these both are equal. So this is equal. So that both the sides of the equality sign is equal means that is a equation. We can say this is equals. This is equals. And then, so we are talking about an equation. Understood? We are talking about an equation. Our topic is simple equations. Simple equations. Now we are talking about an equation. So that is, you know what is 2x, 3x and 4x or 5y, etc. Okay, so we are writing like these terms. So these are all, we can say these terms are, we can say algebraic expressions. So we are using this algebraic expression to form an equation. Okay, so you know here we are taking 2x here. Okay, in this 2x, 2 is a number. 2 is a number. And what about x? X is a variable. X is a variable, that is unknown number we can take as variable. So 2x and 3x, 5y, like this. Here y is a variable. So unknown numbers we can take a variable. Okay. So to find out the value of the unknown numbers. Now let us play a game. Okay. So that is, you should think any number in your mind. Okay, you should think any number in your mind. After the end of this game, I will say what is the number you thought in your mind. So this is a game now. Okay, so you should think any number in your mind. Then you should multiply that number with 4. That is, what is the number you thought in your mind that we should take as x. Understood? So what is the number you thought in your mind? That number we should take it as x, that is variable. Now you should multiply with that number with 4. Understood? Are you understood, children? So you should multiply that number. What is the number you thought in your mind? That with that number you should multiply 4 and you should add 5 to that number. And you should add 5 to that number. Understood? So here, what is the value? So you thought a number in your mind with that number you should multiply 4 and you should add 5 on that number. I thought, that is you get 65 or any other number also you got. Okay, so you should write in your notebook and find out what is the number in that, or you ask to your parents or your friends with that. Okay, they should say or not, you should check. That is, I thought, that is the number is 15. Okay, so how I will say the number is 15? See, we are seeing that is 4x plus 5 equals to 65. If the number, if the total you have it is 65 means, see, 4x plus 5 equals to 65. Now how you get the number is 15? See, you should remove the numbers with this variable. How to remove? See, we are minus, we are subtracted 5 on both sides means we are removing this 5, and we are dividing 4 on both sides means we are removing 4. Okay, so here 4x plus 5 minus 5 equals to 65 minus 5. So we are minus 5 on both sides. So we are getting plus 5 and minus 5 gets cancels. So 4x equals to 60. Then we are dividing 4 on both sides. So 4x by 4 equals to 60 divided by 4. Okay, now 4 and 4 gets cancels. 4 ones are 4. Here 4 ones are 4, balance 2. 24 5s are 20. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 15s are 60. Here you should divide like this. Okay, 4 ones are 4. Here also in 6, only 1 4 in that in 6. So balance 2. So 20 is there. So 4 5s are 20. So here 15 we get. So x equals to 15. So what is the number we thought you thought in your mind? 15. Okay, so like this we should write the equation. See what that is, a number we are taking in our mind. So we should multiply that number into 4 and we are adding 5 on that on the product. What is the answer we are getting from 4x? Okay, so we are adding 5 to that and we are getting the answer as 65 means the number is 15. Okay, understood children? So now we should see how to set up the equations. Okay, so that is, the statement is given for us. The statement is given for us. So how to write the equation, you know. This is an equation, that is left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, so now let us see how to write the equation from the sentence form. Okay, so that is the sum, example 1. Okay, so example 1, the sum of 3 times x, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. The sum of 3 times x is x and 11 is 32. So how to write this statement in equation form? How to write this statement in equation form? That is 3 times x. We should take first this. 3 times x means 3 times x. So that is 3x. 3 times x means 3x. And sum of 3 times x and 11. Sum of 3 times x and 11 is, that is we can say 3 times x and 11 is 3x plus 11. See, sum of 3 times x and 11 means we are adding with 3 times x, that is 3x. So 3x plus 11. Okay. So the sum of 3 times x plus 11 means the sum of both these two is 32. That is equals to 32. So the sum is 32. Okay, so the sum is 32 means that is 3x plus 11 equals to 32. Therefore, the equation of this statement is 3x plus 11 equals to 32. See, once again I am explaining. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So 3 times x means 3x. And sum of 3 times x and 11 is 3x plus 11, and the sum is 32. The sum is 32 means the sum of 3 times x and 11 is equal to 32. So this is the equation for this statement. Understood, children? So now we should see how to write the equation from the equation into the statement form. So equation in the statement form ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, so that is we wrote already, that is from statement to equation. Now let us see equation to statement form. Okay, that is, we'll take one example, that is x minus 5 equals to 9. So this is the equation, it is given to us. Okay, x minus 5 equals to 9. We should write this equation into statement form, that is taken away or take away 5, take away 5. If you write number or in a word 5, both are correct. Okay, so take away 5 from which we want to take away 5? X. Okay, so take away 5 from x is 9. Take away 5 from x is 9. Or you can write subtracted 5 from x. Subtracted 5 from x is 9. So that also correct. How you thought, how you write, what is the correct form? Okay, so you should write it is subtraction, or it is addition, or it is multiplication, or it is division. So whatever it is, okay, what is the sentence you are writing, that is correct form means it is correct. Okay, so then one more example we should take. 5p equals to 20. 5p equals to 20. How to write this? See here, p is a unknown number. It is, we are taking it as variable. So 5 is a number. It is both this in a multiplication form. So here we are taking subtraction form. So taking away 5 from x, we wrote like that. But here 5p. Okay, so 5 times a number p. So here multiplication means how to write 5 times a number p. Okay, so this we can write in a simple form, p into p, no? So here 5 times a p, okay, is 20. So how to write in the statement form? 5 times a number p is 20. 5 times a number p is 20. So understood? So how to write the statement form to equation and equation to a statement form. Okay, and now let us understand a question to write to find out an equation. That is, see, Raju's father age. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Okay, and then Raju's father is 44 years old, and Raju's father is 44 years old. So it is in a sentence. Okay, so Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So Raju's father is 44 years old. So this we can write in a equation. So how to write? First we should take 3 times Raju's age. Okay, 3 times, that is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So we should write Raju's age. Okay, here that is let us assume Raju's age. Let us assume that is Raju's age is x, or any other alphabets, that is variable. We should take y or z, anything. So let us assume Raju's age is x, that is 3 times Raju's age. That is 3 times Raju's age means 3x. Okay, understood? 3x. 3 times Raju's age means 3x, and 5 years more than. So 5 years more than means we should add 5 to that. If it is less than means we should subtract it from. Here we have more than. So 5 years more than means we are adding. So 3x plus 5. Understood? That is, we are taking Raju's age is x, and 3 times Raju's age means 3x, and more than 5 years more than means we are adding 5 to 3x. And what is the Raju's father's age? What is Raju's father's age? 44 years. It is exact correct. Raju's father's age is 44 years old. So Raju's age we want to find out here. That is 3x plus 5 equals to 44. Now Raju's age is x. So let us see how to solve this equation in our next class. Okay. So how to write our equation? So how to write the equation of this given question? Okay. So Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Okay. So that is Raju's age, we can take it as x, and 3 times Raju's age is 3x, and more than 5 years. So that is plus 5 equals to 44 years old. Okay, understood? So that is Raju's father. You know how to write the equation. That is how to setting up an equation. How to setting up an equation, and then how to write the equation from the sentence form, and how to write the sentence form from the equation, and then how to write the equation from this sentence. Okay, so now you learn what is an equation and how to setting up an equation, and how to write the equation from the sentence form, and how to write the sentence from the equation. Okay, thank you children.